So what did those pigs say to you?
They asked how a black man could purchase a Cadillac in this neighborhood, Mr. Stanford.
Don't make no damn sense.
Uncle Stanford, calm down.
Calm down my ass. I'm a damn doctor. You tell them that?
Yes, sir.
I'm tired of this. We can't even ride in our cars in our own neighborhoods while them crackers messing with us.
He didn't mean that, Donovan.
Don't tell me what I meant. I'm a grown-ass man. And they made me sit on the curb like a child while waiting for a white boy to save me. I hate them crackers.
If it wasn't for Donovan, who is white, we'd probably be in jail right now.
For what? Donovan had to save us, son. I gave him the title to my car with my name on it. But the word of a white boy was more valid.
Look, I know you're upset. And I understand why, but I just don't feel the same way, all right? Ma told me that there was some good and some bad in all people, regardless of what color they were. Those men were just bad cops.
Really? Well, did your mama tell you that one of them crackers killed your daddy? Yeah. Anyway, I'm sorry, Donovan. I'm talking about you, son. You're a good kid.
It's all right, Mr. Stanford. I didn't think that you were referring to me. I know I'm not a cracker.